Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the trade machine in Steal a Brainrot. So let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to use a trade machine, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, you're going to make your way over to the trade machine. It should be right by the the conveyor belt or whatever. Once you guys are here, you're going to basically just go ahead and invite another player. You can just go ahead and send it either from these persons in the server, or you could do it from the friends, or you could just search their name up as well. Once you basically do that, you guys should be pretty much good to go. Would be pretty much it. That is how to trade. You don't necessarily if you want to do it with a friend, then I recommend just going to the friend time, or if you want to do it with someone random, you can just do it from the server itself. So you just send them the invite, and then that's pretty much it. So that should be it for the video. That is how to use the trade machine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.